Good morning. So, got up super early this morning. Was basically outside at like 6 a.m. Pulled the car out of the garage fine, and then went to go move it again, and it wouldn't turn back on, and it just died. So I've been trying to chase this stupid issue for like the last hour 20, and yeah, I finally figured out what the problem was. So all this because a stupid fuse was blown, which ended up being number 10 under the dash, which is the meter, I think it was. Oh shit, I need to find my fuses. I have a gang of fuses. I need to go find them though. All right, hopefully this shit fucking starts. This fucking car, dude. Oh shit, I was about to say there's no fucking power now. Forgot to take the power off. Fuck, dude. This is not how I wanted my Sunday morning to start. But things happen for a reason. I'm not gonna ask what reason, but I like to think that the universe is looking out for me, you know what I mean? So still gonna go to the meet. Miss my boys, miss my homies. So I need to get over there. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Yay. Thank you, God. My goodness. All right. I can wash it really quick and then I'm gonna head out. I want to drive like too crazy. My alignment's all like messed up. See? I gotta drive all the way to Dino, which is about like a solid 30-minute drive for me. 20-30-minute drive. So I told the homies I'm just gonna meet them over there at the meet and then go from there. But I'm gonna rinse this shit down real quick. And then I'm gonna jet over there real quick and then hang out and then come back home. Yeah, I brought all my fucking tools. I mean, they're already in here already, but just fucking in case. Yeah, doggy. Oh, fucking car, bro. I hate it. I love it. Gives me issues, gives me problems, but this is how you build passion, right? This is one hand. I jumped it earlier. Just, dude, it was the weirdest shit because I wasn't. It was like, dude, I swear, when I pulled it out of the garage, it literally just cranked. Like, it started right up, no issues, literally. And when I went to go move it, because I was gonna wash it, fucking no dash lights, was just fucking cranking like crazy, just wouldn't turn over. And I was like, what the fuck is going on? So I was like, the battery must have been dead or low. So it was a little low, charged it a little bit. Still same thing. And then checking all the fuses that I see on the diagram, like, dude, what the fuck, which one was it? And then trip out, dude. I like shout out to one of the old OGs, Thura, and he had an old thread on the HN Civic. It ended up being number 10, the number 10 spot for the meter. And I guess because of that, probably wouldn't start. Now my fucking thing is But yeah, let me wash this real quick so I can get over there. Loki, I just might rent it and just go. I don't know, no. Let's just watch it. It deserves better. I need to stop being a lazy ass. Alignment. I mean, the wheel alignment's pretty bad, but I mean, it's not like pulling like too bad at all. So hopefully my tires don't get eaten up too bad. I mean, we're only going like I said, we're only like a 25-minute drive, so maybe like 15 miles max. But rolling solo over there because I was late to the meetup. But yeah, man, beautiful Sunday. Made it to the meet.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mark. It is a beautiful morning for sure. Some super clean as DB RG1s. Looks good. TSX wagon. Always love these. I really wish these came in a V6 model. It's kind of a shame that they only kept them 4 cylinders, the T24s. I get it, but it would have been really cool to see these in a V6, to be honest. Here's Mark's coupe. Regas. 15-inch Regas. What happened, Justin? Look at this big ass Korean, dude. It's probably the biggest Korean you'll ever see. This is dope. Yeah, the wagon. This is Justin's Evo right here. And the CEs. Polio sedan. Did a little bumper change. Looking like a real street car right now. Super sick. I assume that no one bought the CPRs yet, so we're still on his car. I love this right-hand drive. Very good. Come this way. A couple turbo cars over here. Slime Balls sedan. All-wheel drive. Love the color choice. The color looks great. Medium front lip. JDMK 24. Turbocharged. Come back down that way. Yellow Type R. Red Type R. It's my piece of shit right here. GS. I'm gonna take it right here. Nice yellow EK right here. And the spoons. Very cool. High lift 8. Here's Oliver's Type R. John's S2000. And the UCF 20 right here. Ecstatic. And the LS460. Accord on the Wardens. And Dario's RSX. Let's see all out here. Oh, I like this Del Sol. That's cool. Type C's. You got the Euro bumper on it. Very cool. You can see the side fog light. And the UK bumper. Very cool. There's 2000 in here. This is Jesse's right-hand drive. I've seen this one before in our previous videos on the Sprint Hearts. It's fucking sick. 15th. Yeah, 15th. This wheels look so good on this chassis. Another right hand drive. TE Superlaps. Series swap. And B18C1. OEM Plus. Very clean. Super cool. Nice car, man. Another DB. And Type X's. Man, also right-hand drive. Oh yeah. Automatic. Man, it's just clean as fuck. UJ. Got a wheelwood setup. R888s. Super clean coupe. Probably got a fast motor with that wheel and tire setup. There's a homie that posted to me, JDM Inspired. Nice to finally put the face to your handle. Yeah, man. Cool little Sunday. Got to kick back, chill with the homies. Haven't seen in a while. Do some car shit, you know. Love the interior. I don't even know what interior this is from. That's tight. What's up, pollito? Hold on, let me see the back of your shirt real quick. D on the choppies. Pretty rare wheels. Good look. It's tight. Yeah, let's go head out. I'm gonna go head over to John's for a little bit. It's on the way home, so he's got having a little BMW meet, so his Honda friends are gonna come and join him for a little bit. Yeah, I'll see you over there. Made it back home finally. Oh man, heat today's crazy. Oh, chill Sunday. I have to grab my whip. And yeah, man. Got a fun Sunday. It's a good day. It's a good day when the car comes back home in one piece and you're safe. Low-key almost got rear-ended fucking nasty almost earlier, like going on the freeway. Fuck, dude. Probably wouldn't have been having this conversation right now. Car would have been in pieces for sure. Fucking stupid ass Prius, dude. Stressful day, but got done. Gotta look at the bigger picture of things, you know. I'm blessed to be able to enjoy this, and I don't know, man. I just know 17-year-old me is screaming right now. So, yo, check out this transport that I picked up recently. Pretty dope. Makes sense color. I'm trying to figure out, like, I know there's a couple of FD2 Hot Wheels coming out soon, so I'm gonna try to fill this whole bottom one with it, but I think I might crack this one open and kind of add it to the case. Kind of liking this one. What's up, bub? What happened? Okay, I'll come join you right now. But yeah, this little thing. But anyways, I have some old footage from like earlier this month. I went to Toronto, Canada, so I'll show you that footage right now. So I'm supposed to be on my way to a car meet that my homie Kalvin sent me to. Just took me through some like back alley road and shit. Like, I don't know, is there gonna be a car meet at the end of this road or what? Like for reals, like I'm not used to like seeing like nothing around me. And it was literally like a 2-lane road, and I guess it was considered a major highway, I guess. I don't fucking know, but I'm on Major Mackenzie Drive in 9th lane. So in the outs, I don't even know what city this is, but I'm somewhere near Toronto, obviously. But yeah, going to this little invite-only secret spot at this place. 11 minutes away.
The alley may close within 1 hour of when you arrive.
Oh, it's all good. But yeah, I guess we'll see the cars when we get there. So I found the car meet. This is really nice S2000 right here. Very, very sick. Very nice. Saw this ITR over here, the moving wheels, and this brakes. Damn. Kind of a Mugen, like noob, as Gen 2 wing. Gen 3? I don't remember. I don't know which one is which. FK over here. Very, very nice. There's like really not that much fucking light in this lot though, but I wish you guys can see how clean some of these fucking cars are though. Very, very nice. CR over here. Hardtop. And we have 10s. It's very clean. Let's walk over here, see what else is going on. Those are really, really dim lots, so can't really see too much, but there's like a bunch of variety here. Oh, like there's a fucking J's S2000 right here. It's really, really fucking there at this angle. Holy shit, dude. Miata right here. Wide body Miata. Jeez. Like this right here. This hatch. Very clean hatch. Yeah, this is dope. And the Watanabes. Very sick. GRs over here. This one's dope. And the racing green tees. Very, very nice. Yeah, holy shit, there's a fucking lot of variety here. There's a fucking 2.5 RS over here. Look at this. Damn. T37Vs. Always love this car. It was very, very nice. FK8, 37 DRs. Plus 1,000 over here on the TEs. Hardtop. Very dope. Come look over here. There's a bunch of shit. I haven't even said what's up to my homies yet. I'm just kind of wanted to get some of the video first before I get consumed with talking with them and whatnot. You know me, obviously I'm a fucking Honda boy, so just gonna obviously spot all the fucking Hondas. I gotta see all these F05s along this corner right here, DE5s, CRZ, like this yellow S1000 right here, very clean, the hardtop, center wing, craft square mirrors. I think this is the first molding hood. Very, very nice. Oh yeah, that thing is sick. GT4, red on red FRS over there. I think these are my friends over here. What's up, Kalvin? I made it, dude. Walked down this aisle right here. There's a F05 DE5, cool F05 right here. Hell yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Fucking Seeker Civic, another one with Brian's car in the flesh. Hell yeah. The appropriate tail lights as usual. FD2 rear bumper. Very sick. Oh yeah, dude. Fucking dope ass F05 right here too. A little bit on the GTs. What's up, Kalvin?
What up? It's my hometown now.
Thanks for the goodie bag, Kalvin. I really appreciate it. But yeah, man, this is the first time out here kind of experiencing the car scene, modified car life out here in Toronto and stuff. So far, pretty damn good. My God. A lot of great quality cars out here, to be honest. Like, it's a good variety too, so it's not just like, you know, one make car or anything like that. It's just like a bunch of, actually a lot of high-end cars with really baller parts, like this F05 with endless kit, and the GTs, fucking ballin', super ballin'. There's spooned out ITR right here, Jay's fenders,
ITBs.
ITBs, K20 or B series?
B series.
Oh, nice. Even better. Yeah, if you know the guy. That's super sick. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Is it a Toyota? Is it a Toyota ITB?
Yeah, it's Toyota.
Yeah, Toyota. Nice to meet you, Henry. Oh, nice to meet you, man. Oh, this is a really nice car, man. GRGs too. Like the hard lines right there too in the back. Driveway harness. Wow. Beautiful car, man. Yeah. All spooned out.
No, this is the OG version. Yeah, because I remember the post is this thing.
Super fucking clean.
Doesn't mean it's worth any money.
Wow. Very nice. It's cool fits right here. It's Kalvin's TSX. So glad you have this one. I wish you would have still had your Civic though.
I know.
You sold out and got a TSX. SMH. Looks good though. Dang, this thing is sick.
The only mod I have is my intake.
And he's got a sick ass, what you call it too? A sick ass fit. Holy shit, I didn't realize this one right here next to it. It's fucking Mugen. Fucking Mugen, that one? Damn. Yeah, that's just sick too. Hell yeah. Little GD?
Yeah. Or GE.
Or GE, my bad, GE. This is GD. This is GD. Dang. TEs. Got the Commander eye on the side. That's kind of cool. I actually never seen anyone do that. It's actually kind of sick. Damn. Big and wing. Yeah, Kalvin's car is sick though. On the Regas. Let's go see his intake. Oh, look at the OG right here. Little Ingalls damper. So super. That J Blood.
I don't know what it is. I just found it and stuck it on.
Oh, kept on. Oh, that's sick. Yo, Group M one.
Yeah.
Fucking ballin', dude. That's really cool.
That's like the only thing that's on there that's the only thing that's cool.
Shut up, dude. The whole car's pretty cool.
Sold the FD for this.
I know. What a guy, man. It's okay. Like I'm kind of sad, but then it's cool at the same time because I actually almost bought a TSX before I got my 8th gen.
Yeah,
Yeah.
same. I was looking for a TSX.
I was literally, but they're just too expensive. They were too expensive at the time. They're like $10,000 more than an SI.
Yeah.
Sick.
It's like I think it's an NSX knockoff.
I like the design of it. Like a little dildo. His little lumbar sport. I need to get one for my car. I'm sold. For pro racer.
But for long drives, it's amazing.
Dude, I bet. I don't think. Look how wide this thing looks. Looks fucking wild.
It makes your car more race car, you know?
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Fucking balling. Look, endless kit. Super sick. Kalvin with his with the extra light. Thank you, Kalvin. There's his ad right here. Damn, this car is fucking crazy looking, dude. I actually really like this kit in this red color a lot.
Endless BBKs.
And he did the exhaust cutout.
Oh yeah.
Where it's
Huh.
supposed to be.
Oh yeah, he did. That's where it's supposed to go.
Yeah, it's where it's supposed to come out of.
But even the
Yeah, this is a nice fucking car, dude.
Yeah. It comes out like that too.
I think this is probably my favorite part of the kit. How it just like it's like a big step, you know, and it just flows all the way down. Then you got like the gills right here.
Oh, yeah.
You know, it looks like a.
Oh, I was trying to see if I can message the
Dude, that's
friend
crazy.
Sean with the Supra.
Sick. Man, that was fun. So, shout out to Kalvin, Brian, Donald, and another Brian, and all the other homies I met. Thank you for the hospitality. It was a dope ass meet, but I need to get back to my babies. That was a pretty fun meet though for us. Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm gonna head back home about 12:30 here, but I'm on California time, so it's only like 9:30 back home. I'm like wide awake, but I'm also tired because I've been fucking traveling all day. So see what's up. If I go to do any more car stuff, I'll shoot more content and shoot more video. But it was cool. Toronto scene is pretty dope so far, man. Pretty dope. Wish the parking lot was more lit though. Look at this back road that fucking Kalvin had me taking, bro. There's fucking no one on this motherfucker, bro. This is the road I literally took here, literally.